Need to send Solana tokens to multiple wallets? Instead of doing it manually one by one, you can use an AI multisender to send tokens to hundreds or even thousands of wallets in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to airdrop Solana tokens step by step. We'll be using the MyCryptoView AI multisender, which allows you to distribute tokens quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, go to the AI multisender tool, ai.mycryptoview.com. This is where you'll manage your token distribution. Once you're inside the tool, select the Solana network. This ensures that all transactions are processed on the Solana blockchain. Next, switch to token sending mode. You can do this by typing Send Token. Alternatively, you can select the token option after uploading your address list. Now, upload your wallet list. You can upload a CSV or XLSX file, or simply paste wallet addresses and token amounts directly. Once done, click I'm done to proceed. Next, select the token you want to send from the right-hand panel. Make sure you have enough balance in your wallet before proceeding. Here's a quick tip. If you're sending the same amount to every wallet, you don't need to manually enter amounts in your file. You can simply type something like send 0.002 tokens, then upload your address list. This is the fastest way to distribute tokens in bulk. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to confirm. This will take you to the final transaction step. Now, choose how you want the transactions to behave. You can either stop on the first failed transaction or continue and retry failed transactions at the end. Select the option that best fits your use case, then start the process. Using an AI multisender like this saves a huge amount of time compared to sending tokens manually. Instead of making multiple transactions, you can distribute tokens to many wallets in one streamlined process. This is especially useful for airdrops, token launches, and large-scale distributions. And that's how you can send Solana tokens to multiple wallets using an AI airdrop tool. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials and tools. And if you want to try it yourself, you can find the AI multisender link in the description. Thanks for watching.